Everything's going really well. Soon these fools will realize that I am the strongest Bay and the strongest dragon. There is nothing that can stop me. There is nothing and no one that will be able to stop me with all of my power. That's where you're wrong. What? You may possess the dark power, but you will not be able to expand your power. Do you really think that you could take down that entire army of awesome Bays? Have you seen how awesome their power is? These are my students you're talking about. Medio El Drago, huh? You think that you're stronger than me. Just because you used to have my power and you evolved further doesn't mean that you're the strongest. You would have been nothing without my dark power. That's where you're wrong. I have great power. But it's not only my power, it's the power of all of us. We're all fighting a battle here. We're all in this together. You haven't even told those fools that you're alive. How are you a part of anything? It's true, I haven't told them. Yeah, you haven't. Again, why? Because they need to learn some lessons on their own. Yes, they are my students, but they still have some things to learn. They might be your students, but there's no way that you're going to defeat me. I give you credit for sneaking up. Did not plan for that. But now I'm gonna end this. I will defeat you all. You really think you could take all of us on? Fine, we'll take you on. But remember what you said. We're gonna make you eat those words. Try to. Now I'll show you fools how wrong you were to come here. How wrong we were to come here. Don't underestimate the power of Hellstriker. So this is Hellstriker, huh? If that's all the power that you have, you won't even be a meal for me. A meal? Who do you think you're talking to? You know what strong Bay is. Strong, huh? You're weak. You're all weak. And it's clearly shown by the power of that Hellstriker. Weak? You haven't seen all of Hellstriker's power. Hellstriker's a special Beyblade. It has a DD tip. Show him your power, Hellstriker DD. DD, huh? That doesn't matter. It will still go down. I will crush you. You're all foolish for coming here. I give you props for staying out in the cold weather, but it's not enough to win against me. That's so. Hellstriker just beat you. That's the power that you have? That's nothing at all. Show me more. I want to see more. If you wish. All right, Hellstriker, go with the wide ball. Wide ball, huh? A defensive tip. What? Told you not to doubt the power of Hellstriker DD. Hellstriker has great attack, but also with its 3 different tips. And the DD bottom, it's unbeatable. Can't beat it. Its strongest are its attack and its defense. It may have a lot of attack, but its defense is off the charts. Is that all the power you've got? Show me more. If you wish. I do. Show me it. Show it all to me. You really think you can beat me? I'm Hades Gill. Hell, Beyblade, show me what you got. Nothing compared to my power. You are wrong about that. You are so wrong about that. Show our power now. Nothing at all. Don't you get it? In this terrain, you cannot defeat me. I am used to the snow. No cold, no heat, nothing will stop me. Show me more of your power. Okay, Lightning El Drago, you will not be able to stop me. Remember, your power did come from me, after all. Come from you? You wish. The dark power is the power that I possessed the entire time. All it did was free me from your control. Now I'm free to run wild and do whatever I'd like. And this Snowstorm has only given me more power. All these conditions, these changing conditions, it won't affect me. And I will show you that now. Just because I had the power of you, I was under your control, doesn't mean that I will lose. Doesn't mean that I was a slave to your power. If anything, being freed from you only made things better for me, because now I'm free to run wild and do whatever I want to. Face facts, Lightning El Drago. You know that without me guiding you, you would not have been able to survive. Oh, you are pathetic. I'm going to show you now. You are not the strongest dragon. I am. I didn't even need to show you my surprise. I already destroyed all of you. Surprise? What do you mean surprise? You still don't understand? Well, I'll show you now. What? Those are ruins. That's right. Ruins. You know what that means. This is one of the spots where the star fragment fell to Earth. And this place gives me power. With it, I will destroy all of you and show that I am the strongest. So you had better go and get your buddies and have them help you. You're going to need all the help that you can in order to try and stop me. In order to be a good meal for me. Until then, there's no point in me being here. Goodbye, fools. See you soon, and prepare to perish. Ah, crap. I'm stuck in the snow. Alright, thanks, guys. Oh, dang, that was chilly. Okay, that's enough. We need to go, and we need to get the others. We need to let them know. You can't hide this from them any longer, Meteor El Drago. You saw the power of Lightning El Drago. He's become a real threat. Something was up with his tip, too. It was broken. It had a lot of attack. Yes, I saw that myself. But it doesn't matter. He has great power. We need to get out of here. Yeah, plus getting to the warmth would be good. Okay, let's go. You're gonna be in for it when you see me next. There, my true power will be unleashed. You will all learn that I am the strongest Bay and the strongest dragon. Get ready. The darkness is returning.